In most jurisdictions, homeowners are not allowed to do their own electrical wiring. This is because electrical work can be dangerous and requires specialized knowledge and training. A licensed electrician should always be hired to perform electrical work. Electrical systems are complex and involve inherent risks such as electric shock, electrocution, and fire if not installed or repaired correctly. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, sets the standard for safe electrical installations in the United States, and compliance with these regulations is crucial to protect people and property. Many municipalities and counties enforce these codes strictly and require permits and inspections for electrical work to ensure compliance. Firstly, safety is paramount when dealing with electricity. Even seemingly simple wiring tasks can pose significant hazards if not performed by someone with the proper training and experience. Working with live wires can lead to severe electrical shock, causing burns, cardiac arrest, and even death. A licensed electrician is trained to identify and mitigate these risks using personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses, and following safe work practices to prevent accidents. Secondly, the complexity of electrical systems requires in-depth knowledge of wiring techniques, circuit design, and electrical codes. Electricians undergo extensive apprenticeships and training programs to learn how to properly size wires, install circuit breakers, and connect electrical devices. They are also familiar with the NEC and other applicable standards, ensuring that all electrical work meets the required safety and performance standards. Thirdly, improper wiring can lead to a variety of problems, including overloaded circuits, ground faults, and electrical fires. Overloaded circuits occur when too many devices are connected to a single circuit, causing the wires to overheat and potentially start a fire. Ground faults can occur when a live wire comes into contact with a grounded surface, such as a metal enclosure, creating a dangerous electrical shock hazard. Electrical fires can result from faulty wiring, loose connections, or damaged insulation, posing a significant threat to life and property. Fourthly, hiring a licensed electrician ensures that the electrical work is performed correctly and safely, minimizing the risk of these problems. Licensed electricians are required to pass examinations and meet certain qualifications to demonstrate their knowledge and competence. They are also insured and bonded, providing financial protection in case of accidents or damages. Fifthly, many jurisdictions require permits and inspections for electrical work to ensure compliance with the NEC and other applicable standards. Permits are typically required for new installations, alterations, and repairs, and inspections are conducted by qualified electrical inspectors to verify that the work meets the required standards. Failure to obtain permits or pass inspections can result in fines, penalties, and even the requirement to redo the work. Sixthly, homeowners who attempt to do their own electrical work may face legal consequences if they are caught without a license or if their work does not meet the required standards. In some cases, homeowners may even be held liable for damages or injuries resulting from their improper wiring. Seventhly, even if a homeowner is skilled in electrical work, they may not have the necessary tools and equipment to perform the job safely and effectively. Electrical work requires specialized tools such as wire strippers, crimpers, multimeters, and conduit benders, which can be expensive to purchase and maintain. Licensed electricians have access to these tools and equipment, ensuring that they can perform the job efficiently and safely. Eighthly, electrical codes and regulations are constantly evolving, and licensed electricians are required to stay up to date on the latest changes. They attend continuing education courses and training programs to maintain their licenses and stay informed about new technologies and best practices. This ensures that they are qualified to perform electrical work safely and in compliance with the latest standards. Ninthly, hiring a licensed electrician can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers will be more confident in the safety and reliability of the electrical system if it has been installed or repaired by a qualified professional. This can be a significant selling point and can help you get a better price for your home. Tenthly, while it may be tempting to save money by doing your own electrical work, the risks and potential consequences outweigh the benefits. Hiring a licensed electrician is an investment in your safety and the safety of your property. It also ensures that the electrical work is performed correctly and in compliance with the applicable codes and regulations. Always verify that the electrician is licensed and insured before hiring them to perform any electrical work. You can check their credentials with your local licensing board or online. Get multiple estimates from different electricians to compare prices and services. Ask for references from previous customers and check their reviews online. Make sure the electrician is familiar with NEC and other applicable standards. Insist on a written contract that outlines the scope of work, the materials to be used, and the payment terms. Obtain all necessary permits and inspections before starting any electrical work. Follow all safety precautions when working around electricity, even if you are not performing the work yourself. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, do not attempt to do it yourself. Contact a licensed electrician for assistance. Remember, electrical work is not a DIY project. It requires specialized knowledge, training, and experience to be performed safely and effectively. Protect yourself, your family, and your property by hiring a licensed electrician for all your electrical needs. For example, consider replacing a light fixture. While it might seem simple, improper wiring can lead to a short circuit or even a fire. A licensed electrician can ensure the new fixture is installed correctly and safely. Another example is adding a new electrical outlet. Overloading a circuit with too many devices can cause the circuit breaker to trip or even start a fire. An electrician can properly assess the load requirements and install a new outlet on a separate circuit. Also consider upgrading your electrical panel. An outdated electrical panel may not be able to handle the electrical demands of modern appliances and electronics. An electrician can upgrade your panel to provide more power and ensure the safety of your electrical system. Regarding electrical inspections, after any electrical work is completed, it is important to have it inspected by a qualified electrical inspector. The inspector will verify that the work meets the NEC and other applicable standards. This can help identify any potential problems and ensure that the electrical system is safe and reliable. Permits are often required for electrical work, and it is the homeowner's responsibility to obtain them. The permit process ensures that the work is inspected and meets the required standards. Failure to obtain a permit can result in fines and penalties. There may also be additional safety tips that an electrician can help with. Here are some additional safety tips for homeowners. Firstly, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before working on any electrical circuits. Secondly, never work on electrical circuits in wet or damp conditions. Thirdly, use insulated tools when working on electrical circuits. Fourthly, do not overload electrical circuits. Fifthly, replace frayed or damaged electrical cords. Sixthly, install ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in bathrooms, kitchens, and other wet areas. Seventhly, test your smoke detectors regularly. Eighthly, have your electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified electrician. Ninthly, be aware of the signs of electrical problems such as flickering lights, buzzing sounds, or burning smells. Tenthly, if you experience any electrical problems, contact a licensed electrician for assistance. Ignoring these safety tips can be dangerous, so it's crucial to prioritize electrical safety in your home. To further elaborate on the importance of GFCIs, these devices are designed to protect people from electrical shock by monitoring the flow of current in a circuit. If the GFCI detects a difference in current between the hot and neutral wires, it will quickly trip the circuit, cutting off the power and preventing a potentially fatal shock. GFCIs are required by the NEC in bathrooms, kitchens, and other wet areas where there is a higher risk of electrical shock. Smoke detectors are also essential for home safety. These devices detect smoke and sound an alarm, giving you and your family time to escape a fire. Smoke detectors should be installed on every level of your home and tested regularly to ensure they are working properly. It is also important to have a fire extinguisher in your home and know how to use it. Fire extinguishers can be used to put out small fires before they spread, potentially saving lives and property. Remember, electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always take precautions when working around electricity and hire a licensed electrician for any electrical work you are not comfortable doing yourself. Staying safe around electricity is crucial to protecting yourself, your family, and your property. When it comes to finding a qualified electrician, you can ask for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors. You can also search online for licensed electricians in your area. When you contact an electrician, be sure to ask about their experience, qualifications, and insurance coverage. It is also a good idea to get multiple estimates from different electricians to compare prices and services. Before hiring an electrician, check their license and insurance to make sure they are qualified to perform the work. You can also check their reviews online to see what other customers have said about their work. Be sure to get a written contract that outlines the scope of work, the materials to be used, and the payment terms. This will help protect you in case there are any problems with the work. During the electrical work, be sure to stay out of the work area and follow all safety instructions. After the work is completed, inspect it carefully to make sure it meets your expectations. If you are not satisfied with the work, contact the electrician immediately to discuss your concerns. Remember, hiring a licensed electrician is an investment in your safety and the safety of your property. It is also important to maintain your electrical system to prevent problems. Have your electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified electrician to identify any potential problems before they become serious. Replace any damaged or worn electrical components. Keep your electrical panel clean and free of debris. Avoid overloading electrical circuits. These maintenance tips can help keep your electrical system running smoothly and safely. Ultimately, responsible electrical practices involve a combination of professional expertise, adherence to safety guidelines, and proactive maintenance. By prioritizing these aspects, you can ensure a safe and reliable electrical system for your home or business.